You never know when you fall victim to situations where you feel threatened for your life. It's always a good idea to stay prepared for whatever situation may arise and keep some survival and emergency preparedness kits with you. Buying survival and emergency tools individually can be costly and time-consuming. That's why you should have these kits, as you get all the emergency tools in one compact box. In today's video, we are going to show you the top 7 best survival and emergency preparedness kits that you must have to prepare yourself for any kind of emergency situation. Wise Company delivers survival food and supplies to keep everyone prepared for any disasters that can happen to anyone, anytime. This emergency survival first aid kit from Wise Company provides you with all the first aid necessities, including food and water for one person. The whole package includes 32 servings of entry options to keep you replenished and energized for the days ahead, and a portable stove to simplify reconstitution. Its first aid kit and hygiene kit, N95 dust mask, pocket tissues, 3 wet naps, and water purification tablets. For heating and cooking, it comes with portable stoves, stainless steel cup, and waterproof matches. In order to meet challenges of safety and convenience, you will get squeeze flashlight, 5-in-1 survival whistle, Miller blanket, emergency poncho, and even playing cards. Overall, this kit will keep you equipped for any source of uncertainties. Wise Company Emergency Survival First Aid Kit is great for hurricanes, fires, earthquakes, and any other uncertainties that you need to survive. MayDayIndustries is a manufacturer and wholesaler that specializes in disaster preparedness supplies. The 10014 Road Warrior Deluxe 10 degree below from MayDayIndustries kit contains 78 pieces, weighs 17 pounds, makes you equipped with everything you need for a roadside emergency. Inside the package, you'll have Mayday reflecting triangle, folding snow shovel, jumper cables, and sign light to save yourself from any kind of roadside challenges. You will also get flat tire fixer and tow rope to get out of bad situations that require a tow and tire fixer. In any worst case scenario, you will get 54 pieces of first aid kit, including adhesive bandages of various sizes, butterfly closer bandage, cotton tip applicators, first aid guide, burn ointment, and so on. To keep yourself safe from extreme cold, you will get high visibility yellow blanket, which can be used as well for injured that are in shock, and ground cover for changing a tire. It also contains safety vest, distress banner, utility knife, and so on. If you are heading for a long journey through a snowy road under extreme cold condition, you cannot expect lots of uncertainties, and in those cases, this pack of kit will be a lifesaver. Salt specializes on making outdoor gears that help you to survive in outdoors for a longer time. Now meet the Longer Traverse Kit, a survival kit that brings back the old school survival tin with the quality and features of a modern survival kit. This survival kit has you covered in 4 of the main survival areas: water, shelter, fire, and signaling, ensuring you always stay prepared for any survival situation. It comes with water purification tablets. Each tablet can purify up to 1 liter of water and comes with a 1 liter folding water bag to store purified water. The kit also includes an emergency blanket to keep you warm, fire starter, and whistle to help you survive in outdoors. This kit comes in an aluminum box design that keeps all the essential kits protected from outside elements so that you can use it without any worry. Gerber is an iconic name amongst outdoor enthusiasts as they produce great quality outdoor gear that helps them tackle any survival or emergency situation. Now meet their Bear Grylls Basic Medical Kit that can be your primary medical source in outdoors. It includes all survival basic tools that you may need, including first aid, knife, fire starter, and many more so that you can face any unexpected situation with confidence. It also includes land to air rescue and SOS instructions. It comes with 8-piece kit that is ideal for all kinds of emergency situations so that you can stay worry-free in any situation. This medical kit comes in a lightweight, ripstop nylon bag with waterproof zipper, keeps the kit protected from outside elements and keeps them dry. The Gerber Bear Grylls Basic Kit can provide you a helping hand in any survival or emergency situation and increase your chances. GetReadyNow specializes on producing medical kits that help the outdoor enthusiasts in time of any emergency situations. Now introducing their 72-hour grab-and-go bag, a medical kit packed with useful tools for any survival situation. It comes with 46-piece first aid kit and many more medical gears so that you can fulfill all of your medical needs in time of emergency. This medical kit comes with total solution of light, food, warmth, and sanitation so that you can always stay prepared for whatever nature throws at you. It comes in a clear waterproof bag that allows you to quickly identify gear without opening it and keeps the medical kits dry. GetReadyNow 72-hour grab-and-go bag can be your helping hand in any survival and emergency situations, both in indoors and outdoors. Adventure Medical Kits LLC develops and manufactures medical kits and related consumer products for survival, hygiene, and food care. Now meet the Sportsman 400, your perfect medical kit for outdoors. This medical kit contains enough medical supplies for 1 to 10 people and is ideal for trip durations of up to 14 days, ensuring you can always stay prepared for your whole trip. It includes wilderness first aid, wide elastic bandage, one-stop trauma dressing, and many more so that you can take care of yourself in outdoors. It comes in a nylon-made waterproof bag that protects medical kits from outside elements and keeps them dry. The Adventure Medical Kit Sportsman 400 can be your ideal primary medical source in outdoors and increase your survival chances. The 72 is designed by survival experts to give you everything you need to make it through an emergency. This complete survival system contains 30 tools, serve the purpose of the requirements of water, electronics, air and vision, food, light, first aid, tools, and warmth in any challenging situations. This kit allows anyone to bring the power of disaster and emergency preparation anywhere to help you think clearly and act confidently when you're up against the unexpected. The 72's outer shell is made of lightweight, waterproof, and extremely durable tarpaulin. This material is so airtight that the bag can be used as a flotation device, makes it an additional survival kit as well. The entire shell weighs 11.5 pounds with insert that makes transport easy. For maximum comfort, padded adjustable hip straps with large integrated pockets are there. Additionally, it comes with custom equipped with the GeoPress purifier and a replacement purifier cartridge. If you always want to be prepared for disaster and emergency, then the 72 survival system will help you think clearly and act confidently. So that's all about the top 7 best survival and emergency preparedness kits for you. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.